We got an update on our K5 Blazer. You can kill it if y'all watched. We've had it for probably a month, and we took this thing from being sitting dead in Cannon's yard. Cannon's guy we got it from, he's a U.S. Marine, cool guy. Cannon, if you're watching, we still thank you, man. We love this Blazer. But we got it from Cannon, and it had sat for a couple years, dead in the water, and we've managed to make a daily out of it. We've drove it every day for the last month. Still got tires we got to put on. We've started body work. We've got all the trim off, half the interiors out. We're cloning this thing in the hoppers from Stranger Things. But if you've been watching, you probably already know that. But she was really solid. She had a few dents and dings in her. We've done pulled them. We done hammered and dollied. We still got plenty to do. But we've got till October to finish it. But we're shooting to get this thing in paint by next month. Then we're going to take it down. Lord willing, we're going to take it down to Yogi Lake in Pelahatchie, Mississippi with it painted up. And then, ultimately cruising the coast in October. This is an 85 305 Silverado Blazer. And thanks to our buddies O'Reilly's, you can see we've been spraying paint, trying to find just the right shade as hoppers. Oddly enough, that's a hard color to find. And we've looked at hundreds of different colors. I think we finally got settled on one. And my buddy Zane, he's got it coming. So we're going to get this thing wrapped up, hopefully in the next 3 weeks, so we can get it to Pelahatchie. Then we'll have to get back from there and do a interior in it. But Lord willing, the running part and the paint part will be completed. But what we've got, something special. We made a spray chart. Anytime you're going to try to find the color, you make a spray chart. So what we did, we took a piece of sheet metal, we cut it out. Not very well, I might add, but we cut it out in the shape of a fender for a square body. And we laid the paint down on it to kind of get a look at what it would look like. And these are all O'Reilly paints. Very good quality, very good shine. We didn't even take the time to cut and buff this. This is straight out of the gun. And you can see the reflection she has. This is part of their Nason paint line. Very good paint. That is the Nason Clear Coat. Was it Nason XL? Yeah, good stuff. We're going to give this away to one of you guys, though. We've made a few shorts with it, put it on TikTok. The only thing you got to do to win it is comment Hopper in the comments. We're going to draw tonight. If you win, we'll send it to you free of charge. The only thing we ask you is subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment Hopper, and you can win it. Sponsored by O'Reilly Auto Parts. It would look killer on somebody's wall. Set on your desk, doesn't matter. Just something neat. If you're a Stranger Things guy, if you're a Gen Xer or millennial for that matter, and you grew up and you know the 80s, this show holds a special place for us because it reminds me of where we've been from. So keep a lookout for this Blazer coming to Cruising the Coast in October, and Lord willing, Yogi Lake in June, and hopefully we'll have her painted by then. But y'all comment Hopper. Like I say, if you win it, we'll send it to you. It won't cost you a nickel. Do with it what you like. But we thank y'all for watching as always. Thank y'all for watching this old Blazer come back to life. BB's in there. And if you watch the channel, you know BB. I don't want that, but it's cloudy. If it thunders one time, she's scared. But hopefully come October, we're taking this guy. And also, we've got the lead singer of Common Courtesy. He's going to be playing, what is that Saturday in October? The 12th. Saturday, October the 12th, we're taking him down there in this. And we're going to film all that. They're playing at Glory Bound in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. So that'll be something neat to see. And Jake, if you're watching, that was a shout out to y'all. O'Reilly, shout out to y'all. We thank y'all for everything you do. Thank y'all for watching. Thanks to all the folks that subscribe. Thanks to everybody that comments Hopper.